Ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance sakala si ublay jung kata yau kala ajing Mynjur ya ka jing Mang Pisa ka Thymmai ban pentrei ya ka Ganol Hydroelectricity Project hari lum garo ka bakot sans pa nyo point nyo iwei klur tengka bat hakani ka juk sengi kala Mynjur ru ban thong no ya kinong yalam jongki commission baper Kani kara jong Sorkar kelami na kejingelang jong kenun menteri ke belapnia hidup menteri rembak kejela u Konrad Kongkel Sangma. Kejingelang kaya taisan ibah halo kejing sateng jong ka Ganol Hydroelectricity Project kabala kemi lenti ban penmi boarding hado R4.1 megawatt. Ka Sorkar klasim ya karai ban Mang Pisa Thymmai syakani ke project kabala sateng nadu usnem arhajar pra kenang ban la Pyndep no yaka. Menteri Ketenat Boarding James PK Sangma baikran bikilap thai kubor uloong bayaka Ganol Hydro Project la Mynjur ban sedang ha usnem arhajar pra. Henry namar ki babun ki daw lahap ban kemi bat Mang Pisa Thymmai ya ke project ha usnem arhajar pra kabakot syaka laispa laipuar point riu pra kelur tengka. Bat ha usnem arhajar khat saupan la pen kelabiang ya kamang tengka syaka laispa sanpun riu point saulai kelur tengka nakadaw ko jeng kiu dor jeng kimar ki mata. Uang ba ka kam kala syu sateng nadu kini kisnem bat menta ka Central Water Commission kala penbet Thymmai ya ki jeng draw bat katu kat ni ki jeng pen kela iba kenthop ru ki jeng Mang Pisa ka bakot syaka sanspa nyo point nyo iwei kelur tengka. Uang ba ka Sorkar jela kala betha ya ka High Powered Committee bala kli da Chief Secretary ke jela bakan pet ngor ya ke rukom trikam jong ka Meghalaya Power Generation Corporation Limited kenang bakan la ban Pyndep no ya ke project hapo unai lar jong usnem arhajar arpuar.
It was proposed before the Cabinet today to approve the revised cost estimate 2019 for the completion of Ganol Stage 1 small hydro project, which is for 22.5 megawatts at an amount of rupees 507.71 crores, to approve a state development loan at an amount of rupees 50.00 crores, to allow MEPGCL to avail a loan for an amount of rupees 173.11 crores from financial institutions, and to increase the borrowing limit of MEPGCL for the purpose. So these proposals were placed before the Cabinet, and the Cabinet was informed of the views of the Finance Department, which made certain observations and which have agreed to the proposed Cabinet memo subject to certain conditions, namely that the proposed SDL, that is the State Development Loan, will be considered immediately to facilitate the recommencement of the work, while in the meantime the loan of 123.11 crores for financial institutions can be processed. Secondly, the interest and repayment of the SDL loans will have to be made by the MACL, and to ensure regular payment of the loan, a redemption reserve fund of 10 years is to be created. This account is to be operated jointly by MACL and the Finance Department of Government of Meghalaya. This, after discussion in the Cabinet agreed to all these, and the views and the conditions were agreed upon, and therefore the Cabinet agreed to the revised cost estimate, and also to agree to the state development loan of 50 crores, and also allow MEPGCL to avail a loan of 173.11 crores, and to increase, in pursuance of that, to increase the borrowing limit of MEPGCL for the purpose.
Kakanun Menteri akan digesengi kelahiran ru ahlo kejing dukuk trikam jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights bat ka Meghalaya State Food Commission kibala syakri ya ka jalala bun benai klem ki kli ni ki chairperson ni ki chairman dakawi ki jingmut ka Sorkar kala ai ki jing Mynjur ban thong no ya ka kong yaman lang MCM kum ka chairperson jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights rengkat bagi dukhat ki bakenthop ya ka kong S Dona Masar kong Yureka Shela F Marak MK Marak TD Areng bat ka kong Dr. Ibaman Lalu Ya ka Meghalaya State Food Commission pan la Mynjur banthong yu Chief Secretary barim jong ka jela oba PS thangki kum u chairman bat ya u Dr. Grenelin Marak bat u Ravi Gurung kum u dukhot jong ka commission. Nalor kini kala Mynjur ru banthong yu oba PSR khar kongor kum u Chief Technical Advisor jong ka tnat boarding na ka bentashi snem.
So it was proposed in the cabinet today to approve the name of Srimati Yamonlang MCM as chairperson of the commission.
Ka kanun menteri akan ikajingalang kala ajung Mynjur ru ya kajung penkre eka draft Meghalaya Taxation Service Rules arhajar arpau namar hadu menta katnat taxation kampat don yala ka service rules. Nalor kanie ka Sorkar kala Mynjur banthong khat prangut ki engineer lengba ka 3F hakatnat water resources. Ka Sorkar jela kala ajung Mynjur ban penkla Thymmai ya ka Meghalaya Factories Rules khat khandai spa prapau kaban betha iki karkhana baki de ban penbiang yaki sanitary napkin na kabanta kinong trikin thai bat yaki personal protective equipments ni PPE ya baro kinong trai.
Sanitary napkins of adequate quantity conforming to Indian standards shall be provided and maintained in the women's toilets for their use and the same replenished on daily basis. D. Disposable bins with lids shall be provided within the women's toilets for the collection of the used napkins. The used napkins shall be disposed of as per the procedure approved by the inspector. 1. All workers should mandatorily be provided with personal protective equipment as required under any of the provisions of the Act or the rules, and such PPEs shall conform to the relevant national standard. The occupier shall require the workers to use such PPEs, and the same shall be maintained in proper working condition by the occupier. No charge whatsoever shall be charged by the occupier from the workers for provision of such personal protective equipment.